2011 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 2.0 Turbo. What we got done on it. Got factory converter up there, secondary converter there. Then it's got 2 1/4 pipe. We did a resonator delete. Then continued 2 1/4 original pipe. Then a 2 1/4 to 2 1/4 white pipe and 2 1/4 tailpipes. A lot of 2 1/4s today. There and there. I've been saying a lot of 2 1/4 today. And some quad tips blue. Am I really beautiful right there? See them? There and there. There's the muffler we cut off. On these it comes single, one big muffler. So it costs a little bit more because you got to custom bend everything to make the duals fit, as you guys can see right there. So don't be mad at the muffler shop when they say they need a little bit more money. There's the resonator we cut off too. So as you guys can see, it takes a lot of pipe to get it done. And like always guys, if you like our work, make sure you subscribe. And if you really like the sound, make sure you share, because sharing is caring. That sounds good, bro. Wow. It's deep too, it's weird. Heck yeah. You got a bigger blowout valve on it? Sound decibels? 103, 104. Wow. I like it. And guys, check out our Instagram, The Exhaust Addicts, for more